French gastronomy. Exploring the delectable delights of French cuisine. France is renowned for its exquisite culinary heritage, where every meal is a celebration of flavor and creativity. And what better way to start our journey than with the legendary French baguette? A crusty exterior, fluffy interior, and a flavor that brings pure joy to your taste buds. Now, let's talk about escargots. These tender, buttery snails, smothered in garlic and parsley, are a true gastronomic delight. Don't be afraid to give them a try. Cheese. France is home to over 400 varieties. From creamy camembert to tangy Roquefort, there's a cheese for every palate. Pair it with a glass of French wine, and you'll experience heaven on a plate. And who can forget about crepes? These thin, delicate pancakes can be enjoyed sweet or savory, filled with anything your heart desires. Whether it's Nutella or cheese and ham, they're sure to satisfy your cravings. Finally, let's indulge in the elegance of French haute cuisine. From the rich flavors of coq au vin to the buttery goodness of beef bourguignon, these iconic dishes reflect the essence of French gastronomy. French food not only nourishes the body but also feeds the soul. It brings people together, creating unforgettable moments and cherished memories. So, come explore the delectable delights of French cuisine, and embark on a culinary adventure that will awaken your senses and leave you craving for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content.